We've moved the Delorean into the garage and onto the lift, and over the next couple of days I'll be going through the car, checking to see what she needs, replacing and repairing it. It's a 4,000 kilometre trip from here in Ireland to Italy and back, so we need her as reliable as possible. We'll pull the engine, going to go through the engine, replace the timing chain, guides, oil seals, whatever she needs. As we back out, we'll give her its service, check her clutch, drivetrain, etc, etc. The date of the Mille Miglia has changed. It's normally in early May, but it has been moved due to the coronavirus to June. Temperatures are a good 10 degrees higher. So we're going to go through the cooling system, upgrade it, make it more efficient, upgrade the fans, cooling fans, make sure they're capable of keeping the car cool in those hotter conditions. One of the things I'm going to do for myself is change the registration on the car. The plate that's on the car now was put on the car in 2016, so that dictates the year on the plate there. Delorean back in the day registered a number of the cars under AXI for County Antrim and SGI for County Down, I believe. So I've always been on the lookout for a plate that would be AXI or SGI, so I was able to find this one. It's 1982, early 82, but that was as close as I could get. So the car now has been transferred to that plate, so we'll be putting that plate on, and for me, a little bit anarchy, but I'm really excited to get it on the car. So over the next few days, we'll get stuck in. We'll give you a couple of updates as we go along, and again, if you have any comments or requests, drop them down below. Thank you.